guys, so for this video quickly I'm going to be removing the door handles. Just finished removing the taillights. Go ahead and check that video out if you haven't already. Again, this shouldn't be too difficult. So most cars have a little rubber stopper there, and let's see what we got. T20. Let's take it in. See that in there? We're gonna take that out, and this door handle should pop right out. I got a T15. Yep, T15, and that's what I believe. Let's see if this is it. Yep, T15. Literally just okay. You get a hard stop. That means you're at the end. It's not going to come out. It's securely stayed in there, so don't worry about losing it. Let's see, it's still in there. So we're gonna take this piece out. Alright, so this, pop it, just wiggle it gently. I used a little bit of a pry tool. Make sure you keep this part open. Pry it out, it slides out just like so. Okay, put that. Table, and then for this you pull, open it, forcefully back, and then angle it out, and then it unhooks like so. Not bad, one of the easier door handles to remove. Repeat that for the driver's side, and then I'll come back and show you the front, because sometimes with the button it's a little different. Okay, luckily the passenger side was the same, and the and the driver's side and rear are the same as well. So same process as I showed, nice and quick and easy. I'm just going to tuck these in, making sure they don't go too far in there. I don't think they should. And I'm just going to clean this up and get it ready for the wrap. Nice and easy. Stay tuned for the finished project.